Some more example on quadratic formula. Next example, solve p square x square plus p square minus q square multiplied by x minus q square equal to 0. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation by quadratic method. Now solution is, now p square x square plus p square minus q square multiplied by x minus q square equal to 0. Now by comparing the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, here a equal to p square, b equal to p square minus q square and c equal to minus q square. Now we know that the value of x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. So first we will find the discriminant d equal to b square minus 4ac. So b is p square minus q square. So we can write p square minus q square whole square minus 4 multiplied by a means p square and multiplied by minus q square. So this will become p की power 4 plus q की power 4 minus twice p square q square or plus 4p square q square. So this is equal to p की power 4 plus q की power 4 plus twice p square q square. We can also write this expression as p square plus q square whole square. Now x equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. So this is equal to, now b is minus p square minus q square. So it will become minus bracket p square minus q square plus minus under root of p square plus q square whole square upon 2a. Now here a is p square, so twice p square. So this will become minus p square plus q square plus minus p square plus q square upon twice p square. Now taking positive sign, so if we take positive sign, then x will be equal to minus p square plus q square plus p square plus q square upon 2p square. So this will become twice q square upon twice p square. So therefore x is equal to q square upon p square. Now taking negative sign, x is equal to minus p square minus q square minus p square minus q square. So here will be plus p square, minus q square upon twice p square. So x will be equal to minus twice p square upon 2p square, or we can say x is equal to minus 1. Therefore we have got two solutions of this quadratic equation. First is x equal to q square upon p square, or x equal to minus 1. So this is the solution of this quadratic equation by quadratic formula method. Now takes another example, very important example. So 9x square minus 9 multiplied by a plus b multiplied by x plus twice a square plus 5ab plus twice b square equal to 0. Now solution of this: 9x square minus 9 a plus b multiplied by x plus twice a square plus 5ab plus twice b square equal to 0. Now by comparing with the general quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, we will get capital A equal to 9, capital B equal to minus of 9 a plus b, and capital C is equal to 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. As we know, the x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. So first we will find the discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. So this is equal to minus 9 a plus b whole square minus 4 multiplied by 9 multiplied by twice a square plus 5ab plus twice b square. So this is equal to minus 9 whole square is 81. So 81 a plus b square is a square plus twice ab plus b square. And here 4 multiplied by 9 is 36. So 36 multiplied by twice a square plus 5ab plus twice b square. So this will become 81a square plus 162ab plus 81b square minus 72a square minus 180ab minus 72b square. So this is equal to 9a square minus 18ab plus 9b square. Now 9 is common, so we can write equal to 9 multiplied by a square minus twice ab plus b square, or we can say 9 multiplied by a minus b whole square. Now x is equal to minus b plus minus under root d upon 2a. So this will be equal to minus b. B is minus 9a plus b. So it will become plus 9a plus b plus minus under root d is 9a minus b whole square upon 2a, and a is 9. So it will become 18. 2 multiplied by 9 is 18. So x is equal to 9a plus b. Now the square root of 9a minus b whole square is 3a minus b upon 18. Now taking positive sign, x is equal to 9a plus 9b plus 3a minus 3b upon 18, or we can say 12a plus 6b upon 18, or 2a plus b upon 3. 6 is common from numerator and denominator, so it will becomes x equal to 2a plus b by 3. Now taking negative sign, x is equal to 9a plus 9b minus 3a plus 3b upon 18, or we can say 6a plus 12b upon 18, or this is equal to a plus 2b by 3. Therefore, the solution for this quadratic equation is x equal to 2a plus b by 3 or a plus 2b by 3. So this is the solution of this quadratic equation by quadratic formula method. So we have discussed all the three methods. First method, factorization method. Second method, completing the square method. And third method, quadratic formula method for solving the quadratic equation. Now next topic, word problems on quadratic equation. Word problems. So this is the most important topic in quadratic equation. We will take some word problems. Now first example, a two-digit number is such that the product of the digit is 16. The product of digit is 16. When 54 is subtracted from the number, the digits interchange their places. The digits interchange their places. Find the number. Find the number. Now solution. Let the two-digit number is 10x plus y. Now it is given that the product of the digit. Now here the digit is x and y. So given x multiplied by y is equal to 16. So from here we can write y equal to 16 divided by x. Now from the another condition it is given when 54 is subtracted from the number, the digit interchange their places. Now if digit interchange their places, then if digit interchange their places, then the number is equal to 10y plus x. Now it is given when 54 is subtracted from the number. So number is 10x plus y. Now 54 is subtracted from the number. So minus 54. Then the digit interchange their places. So this will be equal to 10y plus x. So by solving this equation, we will get 10x. Now here plus x. Here it will become minus x here. Plus y. Minus 10y. Minus 54 equal to 0. Or we can say 9x. Minus 9y. Minus 54 equal to 0. So 9 is common. So it will become x minus y minus 6 equal to 0. Now y is equal to 16 upon x. So substitute from first equation. So this equation will become x minus 16 upon x minus 6 equal to 0. Now take LCM x. So it will become x square minus 16 minus 6x upon x equal to 0. Or we can say x square minus 6x minus 16 equal to 0. Now splitting the middle term, we have to get minus 16, and in middle we have to get minus 6. So the factor for minus 16 will be minus 8 and 2. So we can directly write minus 8 and plus 2. So we can write x minus 8 multiplied by x plus 2 equal to 0. So from here x equal to 8 or x equal to minus 2. Now suppose if we want to get a positive number, then x equal to minus 2 will be excluded. So when x equal to 8, then y is equal to 16 by 8 equal to 2. Therefore the number is 10x, x is 8 plus 2, so this is equal to 82. Therefore the required number is 82. It means when the product of the digit in 82 is 16, 8 into 2 multiplied 8 multiplied by 2 equal to 16. And if we subtract 54 from 82, then we will get 28. So the digit interchange their places. Now next example, rupees 9,000 were divided. Rupees 9,000 were divided among a certain number of persons. Had there been 20 more persons, each would have got rupees 160 less. Find the original number of persons. Now solution. Now in problem it is given that rupees 9,000 were divided among a certain number of persons. Had there been 20 more persons, then each would have got rupees 160 less. Now we have to find the original number of persons. So let the original number of persons be x. Let the original number of persons equal to x. Then each person would go, each person saved is equal to 9,000 upon x. It means each person would got rupees 9,000 upon x. Now if there had been 20 more persons, increased number of persons equal to 20. Therefore total number of persons now is equal to x plus 20. Then in this case each person would got rupees 9,000 upon x plus 20. So this is the each person saved. Now according to the problem, each person would get 160 rupees less. So we can say according to problem, the amount a person is getting in the first case minus the amount the person is getting in the second case, then the difference of these two amounts is 160 according to the problem. Now 9,000 is common from left hand side, so we can write 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 20 This is equal to 160. Now take LCM. 9000. Now LCM is x multiplied by x plus 20. So here it will become x plus 20 minus x equal to 160. So 9000 multiplied by 20 upon x square plus 20x equal to 160. So x square plus 20x is equal to 9000 multiplied by 20 upon 160. So it will become x square plus 20x equal to 1125. If we solve 9000 multiplied by 20 upon 160, then it will become 1125. Or we can say x square plus 20x minus 1125 equal to 0. Now if we factorize 1125, so this will become 45 and 25. X square plus 45x minus 25x minus 1125 equal to 0. So x is common, x plus 45 minus 25. So x plus 45 equal to 0. So factor is x plus 45 multiplied by x minus 25 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 45. So number of persons cannot be negative, or x equal to 25. So therefore original number of persons in the beginning, original number of persons in the beginning is equal to 25. Now next example. A train covers a distance of 90 km at a uniform speed. Had there been 15 km per hour more, it would have taken 30 minutes less for the journey. 30 minutes less for the journey. Find the original speed of the train. Find the original speed of the train. Now a train covers a distance of 90 km at a uniform speed. Had there been 15 km per hour more, it would have taken 30 minutes less for the journey. Now find the original speed of the train. We have to find the original speed of the train. So let the original speed of the train is, equal to x km per hour. Now it is covering a 90 km distance, so time taken in covering 90 km is equal to 90 by x hour. So this is the time taken to cover 90 km with the speed of x km per hour. Now if its speed is 15 km per hour more, so new speed of the train is x plus 15 km per hour. speed is increased by 15 km per hour, so new speed is x plus 15 km per hour. So in this case the time taken to cover 90 km is 90 upon x plus 15 hour. Now it is given that it takes half an hour less. So according to problem, in the second case it will take less time, in the first case it takes more time. So according to problem, the difference of time between the first case and second case is half an hour. So we can write 90 upon x divided by 90 upon x minus 90 upon x plus 15. This is equal to half hour, 1 by 2, 30 minutes. Now 90 is common from left hand side, so it will be minus 1 upon x, 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 15 equal to 1 by 2. Now take LCM. LCM is x and x plus 15. So here it will be x plus 15 minus x equal to 1 by 2. So x is cancelled. So it will become 90 multiplied by 15 upon x square plus 15x equal to 1 by 2, or x square plus 15x equal to 90 multiplied by 30. So x square plus 15x minus 2700 equal to 0. Now we have to factorize 2700. So it will be 60 and 45. The factor of minus 2700 is 60 and 45 to get plus 15. So we can write plus 60 and minus 45. So we can write direct x plus 60 and x minus 45 equal to 0. So from here we will get x equal to minus 60 or x equal to 45. Now speed cannot be negative, so it will be omitted. So the new speed is, or the original speed is 45 km per hour. Therefore original speed of the train is equal to 45 km per hour. Original speed of the train equal to 45 km per hour. Now next problem. A plane left 30 minutes later than the scheduled time. A plane left 30 minutes later than the scheduled time. In order to reach its destination, 1500 km away in time, 1500 km away in time, it has to increase its speed by 250 km per hour. It has to increase its speed by 250 km per hour from its usual speeds. Find its usual speed. Okay, the problem is a plane left 30 minutes later than the scheduled time. In order to reach its destination 1500 km away in time, it has to increase its speed by 250 km per hour from its usual speed. Find its usual speed. We have to find the usual speed. So let the usual speed be, let the usual speed equal to x kilometer per hour. Now plane is covering a distance of 1500 kilometer. So time taken to cover 1500 kilometer. So time taken to cover 1500 kilometer is 1500 upon x hour. So this is the time to cover 1500 kilometer by the speed x kilometer per hour. Now a plane left 30 minutes later than the scheduled time. So it has increased its speed by 250 km per hour. So increased speed is equal to x plus 250 km per hour. So this is the new speed. Now in this case the time taken to cover 1500 km is 1500 upon x plus 250 hour. This is the time taken in the second case when the speed is x plus 250 km per hour. Now according to the problem, the difference between these two cases, difference of time taken between these two cases is equal to half hour. So we can say according to problem 1500 upon x time taken in the first case subtract minus 1500 upon x plus 250 time taken in the second case, and the difference of these time is half hour. Now take common 1500 from the left hand side, so we will get 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 250 equal to 1 by 2. So 1500, so x multiplied by x plus 250, so it will be x plus 250 minus x equal to 1 by 2. So we will get 1500 multiplied by 250 upon x square plus 250x equal to 1 by 2. So x square plus 250x is equal to 3000 multiplied by 250, or we can say the quadratic equation will become x square plus 250x minus 750000 equal to 0. Now we have to factorize 750000 or we can say 7,50,000, and we have to go 250 plus 250. So by middle term splitting, the factor of 750000 will be 1000 and 750. So we can write 1000x minus 750x. So this will become 250x minus 750000 equal to 0. Now take common from first two term. So it will be x plus 1000 minus 750 is common. So x plus 1000 equal to 0. So x plus 1000 minus multiplied by x minus 750 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 1000. So speed cannot be negative, so it will be eliminated, and x equal to 750. Therefore the usual speed of the train is the usual speed of aeroplane, this is 750 km per hour.